Today we are making another oilless okra soup, very popular in the Volta region of Ghana, and it is called Fetri Detsi. Very delicious, and the good thing is I used chicken for this, which is very economical. So all you need to do is to transfer your clean chicken into a pot, add some bay leaves, some shrimp seasoning, some chopped onions. Here I've got some garlic, onion and ginger paste, of course your salt to taste, some tomatoes and habanero pepper. You can always adjust the seasonings and anything you see here, okay? While that cooks, I will go ahead and prep my okra, which I've washed beautifully. I'll be chopping some into large chunks and some I will blend into medium size, and another set I'll blend until it is a bit smooth. As I mentioned, I'm using chicken for this. You can use any protein at all of your choice, so please don't come for me, okay? Today's shout out goes to Ketus Aguli watching from Zurich. Thank you so much for loving the recipes. Please let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout. Having prepped my okra, you can see all the three lined up. This is the chunky one, this is the less chunky one, and this is the almost smooth one. Doing it this way will get you the slimiest okra you need, okay? Now my chicken has come to a boil. I will take out the tomatoes and habanero pepper for blending. Stir everything to combine and add back my blended tomatoes and habanero pepper. Now I'll go ahead and season with a bit more Cameroon pepper, which is optional. As I mentioned before, whenever I show you recipes, it is for you to make it your own, so add and take out as you like, okay? At this point I'll be boiling my okra. I'll transfer it to some hot water, add some crayfish, some locust beans, which is dawa dawa in my local dialect. Now I'm going to add some jute leaves. This is where the difference comes, okay? This makes it so delicious and very healthy. To the okra I'll also add some chopped onions and some more habanero pepper. I chose green ones as this is supposed to be green and beautiful. I'll whisk everything to get it to be very slimy, so make sure to whisk it and add some more water as you go on, okay? At this point, our chicken or our base is ready. I'll stir it and add our boiled okra. Just look at the sliminess, and oh man, this was out of this world. So delicious. Now once the okra goes in, stir it gently in order not to lose the sliminess, okay? Allow it to cook for an extra 5 minutes once the okra goes in, and your Fetri Detsi will be ready. This was super duper delicious, very simple to make, right? You need to try this and come back and leave your review on this post. And just look at that, so beautiful. I paired it of course with some bangkun and it was absolutely a banger. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and if you haven't followed this page, please be kind to follow this page so that whenever I post a video, you will be instantly notified. Until I see you in my next one, I love you all, but God loves you the most. Bye.